Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today we'll be talking about Solana and Ethereum. Before we do that, we'll briefly look at the overall crypto market news related sentiment, and then let's then cover Solana ETH. What we have in store are some of the forecasts such as ETH USD forecast, Sol USD forecast, and Sol ETH forecast. So in terms of its crypto pair such as ETH and Sol over here. So these are some of the forecasts that are available on the website that we have launched for the community. The link is in description. The URL is cryptoweeklies.com. So now let's go first to the crypto sentiment. Look at what the some of the activity in the last 24 hours. These are some of the notable news articles that we have scraped using our machine learning model from different sources across the internet, and we have then uh, developed a classification system which classifies if the news is bullish, bearish, or neutral. So one of the bearish news coming over here is related to Cardano's Hydra project being under fire. So and then some clarification related to that. It is definitely right now flagged as bearish, but as one would imagine that things which are bearish one day might be bullish the other day. So this is just a 24-hour snapshot. Similarly, one of the bullish news is related to Shiba Inu and as it's approaching a Doge coin's market cap. What is kind of like a speculation related to Shiba Inu is covered in this article. So if, overall, you can see that most of the content, so for example, Solana hitting a record Google search volume is flagged as neutral, but you can make your own thesis whether these news articles are bullish, bearish, or neutral. And if you have anything to add, you can always comment on this video. So this is the crypto sentiment analyzer, and now let's go back to our Solana's price action that we wanted to cover today. So the overall crypto market has grew by about 1.5%, or the market cap is at well about $2.5 trillion. The fear and greed index levels are at around 85, came back down from 92. And Solana right now has flipped BNB and is the fourth largest crypto and the third largest crypto if you exclude Tether, which is a stable coin. So that's something that I wanted to share today. The growth over the last 7 days has been significant considering most of the other top cryptos are in a downturn. Solana has grown by about 39% over the last 7 days, mostly related to the memes launching on its platform. So now let's do a statistics and tokenomics related analysis. The market by market cap, the rank is at fourth, and in terms of volume, the volume compared to other cryptos makes Solana rank at number 6. The total supply is at around 572 million, out of which circulating supply is at 440. There is no max supply for these cryptos, and there is some inflation, but the volume to market cap ratio is promising more than 10%. So in terms of its price action analysis versus, it is soon to approach its previous all-time high at around 240 USD. This might be more clear on a linear scale. And if you compare this price analysis chart with market cap and conduct an market cap versus price analysis, you can see that the market cap is at its all-time high and has surpassed the previous all-time high, which was at around 78 billion. Now the market cap is at around 91 billion. That means the market cap has exceeded more than 10 to 15% of its previous all-time high, whereas the price is, you could say, is lagging by 15 or 20% from its previous all-time high. That means there has been token inflation in the in the bear market from this point to today. That means if you're not staking sol, you are losing on some of the growth in the market cap, assuming that the staking rewards are commensurate with the inflation in the token. So that's something that I wanted to share again. This is not just specific to Solana, it's specific to most of the cryptos which have inflation. So in terms of its technical analysis, what we wanted to start with is the Fibonacci retracement levels to watch. Now that the price action has crossed $200, the Fibonacci level of interest is that $208 level at the 0.78 fib level. If once that level is held as a support and rally exceeds this level, then the next key level to watch to the upside is the 263, that is the previous all-time high. And to the downside, the levels to watch are the 165 and then the zero point 0.5 Fibonacci at around 135 level. So those are the levels to watch. And in terms of Ethereum versus Sol analysis, let's assume Solana is running one market cycle behind Ethereum. So what Ethereum did in 2018, and in terms of its Fibonacci retracement to about 2021 high, from the level of all-time highs in 2018, ETH did make this 4.2 Fibonacci retracement related market cycle high to the point in its next cycle. So if we were to extrapolate the same for Solana, now that we are approaching 2024-2025 bull run, and draw a similar peak to trough analysis like we have for Ethereum, the 4.2 Fibonacci retracement based high potential high for the upcoming bull run for Sol. This is again not financial advice. Could be somewhere between 930 USD to about 1090 USD. So this is just ETH versus Sol technical analysis. Now let's go to our website and look at what forecasts that we have made a while ago and how they are holding up against the actual. So for Solana, we created an AI based forecast that we have developed in house using techniques such as LSTM, ARIMA, and XGBoost. And we had forecasted when we had data till March of 3rd that Solana's price action in a bull case, right, like we have right now, could be between 126 USD and 339 USD till the till August of 2024. But what is more curious is for March, our forecast model, the theoretical ceiling, that is one standard deviation theoretical ceiling, went to about 161 USD, whereas Sol today, if you check its price on its USD pair, is at around 204 USD. So that points to the fact that when crypto is in a mania phase, these one standard deviation forecasts are meant to be broken. Again, not financial advice, because we consider only 70% confidence interval, and we have purposefully made this judgment because although we are in terms of the market, when it enters mania phase, it leaves our forecast in the dust, and price action goes beyond this forecast. But we try to be conservative when we are forecasting what could happen to a crypto in future, because again, these are not financial advice, and it is always better to err on side of caution rather than be more exuberant and uh, convey that message which might not be true to the detriment of the market participants. So this is something that I wanted to share. Although the bounds have been broken, what I have seen end up happening in my previous experience is if and when the price action goes beyond the one standard deviation, it has a tendency to come back to it. So although the range has exceeded early on in the market cycle, the overall range for Sol could be between 126 and 333 for the first half of 2024. Just wanted to highlight this USD pair related forecast. And now let's go to Sol versus ETH and conduct our analysis or the pair, you can see that the Sol ETH pair is in a downturn. When the pair is in a downturn, that means ETH is bleeding against Sol, and that means Solana's valuation against ETH is on the rise. And if we were to consider this trend to continue, and with using our AI based forecast till the end of year 2024, which have forecasted the ETH Sol ratio to be at between 8.6 and 26.7. So if we take 15 as a median value, that is 15 Sol tokens for one ETH, and run with it, and go to our ETH USD forecast, which is towards the end of the year between 7,000 and 7,500. And if we take 7,500 USD and divide it by 15, that is 15 Sol, 15 Sol per ETH, and that is 7,500 divided by 15 will provide the answer as 500 USD, and that could be a potential Sol USD forecast provided ETH goes to 7,500 and the pair breaks down in favor of Solana towards that 15 Sol per ETH um, ratio. And that is one of the way to forecast, again, not financial advice. And hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.